Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to solve dice problems on probability. So while throwing a dice, we may get the outcomes as the numbers from 1 to 6. As a dice has 6 faces numbered from 1 to 6. So if we are throwing n dices, then the number of possible outcomes will be 6 power n. The formula is 6 power n. Here n is number of dice thrown or the number of times a dice is thrown. Coming to first question, a dice is rolled and what is the probability of getting a prime number? So first of all we have to find the total number of outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes is 6 as a dice has 6 faces. So the number of outcomes favorable to get a prime number is 3. 3 outcomes which are favorable to get a prime number, and those prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So possible outcomes favorable to get a prime number is 3, and the probability is equals to 3 by 6, that is equals to 1 by 2. Here find the probability of throwing a total score of 7 with 2 dice. So first of all we have to find the total number of outcomes. So here 2 dice are thrown, so the total number of outcomes will be 6 power 2, that is equals to 36, and the number of outcomes favorable to get a sum of 7 is, that are 6 outcomes which are favorable, and those favorable outcomes are 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2 and 6 comma 1. So the probability is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, that is equals to 6 by 36, which is equals to 1 by 6. 2 dice are thrown. Find the probability of getting A. Same number, B. Not getting same number on both the faces. So here we are throwing 2 dice. So the total number of outcomes will be 6 power 2, that is equals to 36. So to get a same number, the favorable outcomes are, the number of favorable outcomes are 6, and those outcomes will be 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. So the probability is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, that is equals to 6 by 36, which is equals to 1 by 6. And second question B, not getting same number. So this event is a complement event to the previous event. So the probability is 1 minus 1 by 6. So that is equals to 5 by 6. 10 dice are thrown. Find the probability that none of the dice shows the number 1. So here 10 dice are thrown. So the total number of outcomes will be 6 power 10. So here they are asking none of the dice shows the number 1. So then the outcome should be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 5 outcomes should be there, and 10 dice are thrown. So the favorable outcomes will be 5 power 10. So the probability is equals to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So that is equals to 5 power 10 by 6 power 10.